Dusty boots under a setting sun, riding hard, day's work is done. Hand in hand through fields we roam, finding love in the heart of home. Stars above in the southern night, keeps us warm in the pale moonlight. Cowboy heart with a gentle touch, loving him, it's never too much. Under the Tennessee sky so wide, two hearts beat there side by side. Through the storms and the summer's glow, my cowboy love forever will go. Old guitar and that sweet old song, sitting round the fire all night long. His rugged hands and his dreamy eyes got me lost in this countryside. Morning dew sparkles on the ground as the rooster crows a brand new sound. Every day I wake beside the one I love, the one with pride. Under the Tennessee sky so wide, two hearts beat there side by side. Through the storms and the summer's glow, my cowboy love forever will go. Under the Tennessee sky so wide, two hearts beat there side by side. Through the storms and the summer's glow, my cowboy love